Hi everyone. In this video we'll be learning how to output the Gerber files and drill files for the PCB. So I assume that we have our PCB ready, the tracks are ready, the cutout outline is ready, and all the overlays, your names, authorship, the purpose, and all the things that are ready on the board. So for the fabrication or for the final Gerber files, you need to go to the file, fabrication outputs, and Gerber file. So here, so you need to select the units. I prefer millimeters, and this is the format. This is the integer and the decimal points. So the higher the number, the higher the precision of the board is. So sometimes you need to ask your manufacturer which settings you want. So I just normally keep it like that. And then you need to select the layers, and the layers you need to make sure that you have you can select all the layers, but I prefer the layers that I have worked on. So that is the top overlay, the all the yellow markings over here, and the bottom layer where all the tracks are, the blue the lines here, and then the board shape cutout, which is the purple line on the sides. So that's the mechanical layer, and so I need these three layers. So, and the reason I have mirrored the top overlay, because I want the bottom layer to print as is, but then I have to flip the board, then that's why I need the top overlay to be mirrored over here. So drill drawings, keep it like that, apertures like that, advanced, all the things like that. So hit OK, and you will have all your cam files on here. So you can see that my top overlay line is a bit mirrored. Okay, so when you fill up the board, this side will go to this part. Okay, so that's it. If you go to the your project folder, you can see the project outputs, and now you can see you have the GBL, the Gerber bottom layer, the mechanical layer one, which is the cutout layer, and then the GTO, the top over layer. Okay, so these are the Gerber files. To make the drill files, go to the again select your PCB file and fabrication outputs and NC drill files. Select your units and all the things relative absolute origin. I go with the absolute origin, and all the things like that. You can check or uncheck this one as well. So hit OK, and again units, and these are the metric millimeters and like that. Okay, and these are your drill files. So if I go back to my project folder, I can now see that I have drill LDB in these files. Okay, so sometimes some softwares require the DRL file, but other softwares do require the text file, the simple text file over here. So this is also the drill file. So in the softwares like FlightCam, you can also go to the Exelon and open this file, and it will open as a drill drawings, drill file on for your PCB. So that's how you go for your Gerber files and the drill files in using Altium.